1 minute. Hello, I am Nora Truscello. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is going to continue to be on the A Search of God materials, and it's lesson 5, Virtue and Understanding. I'm going to read the affirmation now, so when we're in the meditation, it's not the first time you hear it. Let virtue and understanding be in me. For my defense is in thee, O Lord, my Redeemer, for thou hearest the prayer of the upright in heart. So we're going to be talking to, like relaying that to that divine energy within us and allowing it to vibrate with the virtue and the understanding that it brings if we allow it, if we accept it with our free will and release our blocks. So, as always, we start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. Please say them with me if you know them, or repeat them after me. Protection's key. You all know that from my books. We are going to then go into a very guided, simple meditation. Even though these meditations are simple, I do want to say they are powerful. So enjoy them. Go with the flow. I'll read the affirmation in that place, and then there'll be silence for a few minutes. At the end of the silence, you will hear the chimes. That will let you know I'm about to speak, so I don't jolt you out of your meditation. And upon the ending, we're going to pull ourselves back in and begin rolling our energy up in front of us. So we're from our bottom of our feet in front of us, we're just going to roll the energy up all the way to the top of our heads in our mind's eye, mind you. I don't expect you to just bend over. And then behind you, you're going to roll the energy up in your mind's eye. Just bring it up over your head to your third eye. This zips you back up and makes your energy strong, not so open. And the 23rd Psalm completely brings the chakras back into balance, closing you from being so wide open. The Lord's Prayer creates that huge opening. So you want to balance it out. All right, that's my standard intro. You have the affirmation. Let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just begin to relax. Take another deep breath and invite your body to relax and let go and to be comfortable. Start to scan your body and notice if there's any tightness anywhere, any discomfort. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite it to let go. Invite it to relax. And notice how your body responds to your mind. Mind is the builder. Let us now, in this relaxed state, begin the prayers of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. In this very relaxed, protected space, let us notice the divine energy that runs through our body from the top of our head all the way down through our body and out our feet. This is an endless supply that is always there. We just don't notice it because our attention isn't on it. But it is there for your taking, for your absorption. It's just for you. It's an extension of the divine into your physical being, waiting for you to accept all that is there. Let us notice this light, this energy, and allow it to expand. Start making it bigger. Get it so that you push it to the point where no longer is it just running through you, but it's outside of you all the way around, as if you were standing in a cylinder of this perfect peace, this perfect love that surpasses understanding. Just breathe it in, and as you breathe in, you're even breathing in the divine. It's all nourishing and all rewarding. And let us go to our affirmation. Let virtue and understanding be in me, for my defense is in thee, O Lord, my Redeemer, for thou hearest the prayer of the upright in heart. Taking a deep breath, settling your energy, start to pull yourself fully back into your body. And as we do this, say a quick thank you, an appreciation for all you just received. knowing that at any moment you can tap into this divine energy. It doesn't take a meditation. It just takes your intention. Let us in our mind's eye now reach down and start stitching the energy in and rising up and protecting ourselves. And from behind us, roll the energy up and over our head. And as we close with the 23rd Psalm, being very aware that your whole spirit is fully in your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. I have a mind block right now on the prayer. Please excuse me. Got it. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for allowing me to stumble there. It does happen. You come out of these meditations pretty altered. And as I said, even though they are short, it doesn't mean they're not powerful. At any moment, you can tap into that energy in your life. You just take a breath, relax for a second, step back in your mind, feel that energy, and it's there for you in your awakened state to assist you at all times. Take advantage of it. Visit me at www.intointuition.com and learn some more stuff about intuition. Grab a hold of a couple of my books, and I look forward to seeing you again on Monday. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Bye now.